Your mindset shapes your reality. What you believe about yourself and the world directly impacts your experiences and outcomes. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs can hold you back from reaching your full potential. But here's the thing, you have the power to change your mindset. Start by catching those negative thoughts. Question them, challenge them, replace them with positive, empowering beliefs. It's not about ignoring reality, but about seeing possibilities where others see obstacles. Successful people aren't born different. They've learned to cultivate a growth mindset. They see failures as lessons, challenges as opportunities. This shift in perspective can transform your life. It won't happen overnight, but with consistent practice, you can rewire your brain for success. Remember, your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits, and your habits become your destiny. Choose your thoughts wisely. Embrace a mindset of growth and possibility. Watch as your world transforms around you. Drop a 100 in the comments and hit the follow button because this account is definitely for you.